Okay, so good morning. What is your name?
My name is Benjik Gilay Rosaleos.
Okay, what is your age?
I am 40 years old.
Which year were you born?
December 20, 1966.
Do you have a valid work permit?
I don't have a valid work permit.
Okay, so do you have a valid passport?
Yes, I do have a valid passport.
Do you smoke?
No,
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
simply because I love Hong Kong.
Okay, so what is your hometown?
In Cebu City,
What is your level of education?
college graduate,
Are you married or single?
married.
Do you have any children?
Yes, one children
How
only.
old?
11 years old.
Who takes care of them?
My husband,
Okay, so how many people are you in the family?
6.
Okay, so how many brothers and sisters?
I have 2 brothers and 1 sister.
Okay, is your parents alive?
My mother only.
Okay, so do you have any financial commitments to support any or all of them?
Yes,
Okay, if they fall sick, who can take care of them?
I think they're old enough already just to take care of themselves.
Okay, so do you have any debts or either here or in your home country?
No, I don't have any debt.
Do you owe an employment agency?
No, either. No.
Okay, so how many years of experience do you have?
10 years experience.
Do you have allergies for food, drugs, and detergents?
No, I don't have allergy.
Okay, so are you afraid of pets?
Yes.
How do you handle conflicts with your previous employers?
Keep myself calm and be patient.
Okay, do you accept no day offs but will be paid by your employer?
Yes, of course.
Okay, in your last place of employment, were both employers working?
Yes, both of them are working.
Okay, so was your role primarily childcare or housework?
Both primary care and household chores.
Okay, so how many hours each day do you work?
8 to 10 hours.
Do you have a first aid certificate?
Yes.
If ever my child will burn his hand on the iron, what will you do?
I wash her hands first with water, then later I put some ointment medicine.
Okay, so if ever my son is being very naughty when you were babysitting him, how would you do? Or what would discipline that you will do?
Just be patient and talk to him nicely and softly.
Okay, so are you willing to wake up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, willing.
Can you cook?
Huh?
You cook?
Yes,
Okay, which cuisine are you familiar with? Or do you know Chinese food?
I know, but I know, but I am willing to learn and cook either Cantonese or any kind of Japanese foods.
Okay, so can you speak Cantonese?
No.
Are you willing to cut your hair short?
Yes.
What do you like to do in your spare time? Do you have any hobbies?
My spare time, I'm going to church. I don't have any hobby, special skills like dancing or painting, but I have a hobbies. My hobbies is only cooking, yung cross stitching.
Okay, so do you have any message to the employer?
Yes, it is my opportunity to work with you, with your family, and I am looking forward to work with you.
Okay, so can you please recite or sing one nursery rhyme?
Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little children want to play. Rain, rain, go away. Thank you very much to Mr. and Mrs. for my former employer.